Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys don't know who I am, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell right beside it so you guys can keep updated and it will notify you when every time I upload a video. So today is day 3 of my 7 days of Glam. I know today is only like the 3rd day, but are you guys actually enjoying it? Because you are. Do let me know. Do vote and let me know if you guys are actually enjoying it. So basically I created this look going on today. I was really wanting to create something which is orange. Decided to actually do a glam for you guys and make it wearable. You guys want to know how I created this beautiful look that is going on my eyes today? Just keep on watching and we'll get this video started right now. Okay, so today's eye look I'll be going in with the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and the very first shade I'm picking up is called Sweet Bits with my Morphe R37 brush, and just keeping it at lid area, guys, just at the crease. I'm just keeping the shade as low as I can. As you can see, when I open up my eyes, you can see that I did not actually bring it on top here. I'm just keeping it as low as I can. The next shade I'm going in to pick up is called Fired Up using my M562 brush, and this is like a very small blending brush to get precise blending. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right above the Sweet Bits. So if you're putting the orange first and then the mauve color, it will tend to blend in and turn into a different shade. So I want the orange to be orange, so that's why I go in this way, guys. Then once I have layered it down, I will blend it upwards towards my brow bone. And without any further added product, I'm just gonna go in and just to blend out a little bit more to. And don't worry about the rest of your lid, guys, because we're going to conceal that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and just conceal my lids for the next shade. So you can just go ahead and use any concealer. I'm using my concealer brush, which is the E19. I find like this is the best brush to use when you're actually doing your eyelids. And then the next shade I'm picking up is my most favorite shade from the entire palette. It's called Bright Eyes. And I'm using my Morphe 167 brush to pack that on the place where we actually conceal. And whatever left over, I'll just bring it out a little bit. So once that is done, I'll just go in with any black eyeshadow just to deepen up the outer V right here. It's just a very small blending process. You just go ahead and take any black shade. I'm taking the one from the Morphe palette called Center of Attraction. This is like a glitter black shade, but you can go in with a black matte shade, any black shade, guys, that you own. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. The very first shade I'll be picking up is called Photo of the Day, and then mixing that up with the shade called Power Slayer and just blending it out on my lower lash line. Go ahead and actually pop some glitter on my eyelids. As you can see, this side here is actually looking very beautifully shimmering, very nice. One, you can just leave it like that, or you can just add glitter on top of it. I'm using the BH Cosmetic glitter in Sydney. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and pick up the shade called Popstar with my Morphe E36 brush to highlight the inner corners of my eye. Then for my waterline, I'll go in with the Urban Decay 24 Hour Glide On Pencil in the shade Vice. Just apply that to my lower lash line. And then I'll go and do my liner. I'm using the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going in with the Smashbox RX Rated Mascara. For lashes, I'll be going in with the Lilly lashes in the shade Luxe. So I'll just go ahead and apply that to my eyes and I'll be back, guys. For contour today, I'll be going in with Beneftit Hoola Bronzer. For blush today, I'll be going in with this Tarte blush in the shade Party. It's something like a very nice pinkish light wash. To highlighter today, I'll be going in with my all-time favorite. It's a oldie but a goodie still. This is the Balm Mary Lou, and this is not like a gold. It's like more of a pearl gold in between. I want my highlight today to be a little bit more pearl-light rather than a gold highlighter. Today I'll be going in to set my entire face with the Urban Decay De-Slick, and this is the oil control one. Okay, for lips today I'll be going in with Colourpop Lippy Stick in the shade Hollywood. Throw on a lip gloss, and this is the one I got from Kissme. It's called Hot Tea. It's just a nude lip gloss. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys are liking this series so far, give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the series and what videos you guys would like to see me do more. I know, I'm doing like my Love Anais series and everything right now. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be tomorrow, and it will be day 4 of the 7 days of Glam. Bye guys!